Picture this. You're walking into a big open market. The night is alive with energy, and the air is filled with the sounds and smells of a bustling Chinese street food market. The vibrant lights from the stalls illuminate the night, creating a magical atmosphere that draws you in. The air smells amazing, like garlic, chili, and yummy herbs. You can almost taste the flavors just by breathing in. The aroma of freshly cooked food wafts through the air, mingling with the scent of exotic spices and herbs that are a staple in Chinese cuisine. You hear woks sizzling, people talking, and vendors shouting about their food. The clanging of metal against metal as chefs expertly toss ingredients in their woks adds to the symphony of sounds. It's a sensory overload, but in the best possible way. This is the exciting world of Chinese street food. Each stall offers something unique, from traditional dishes passed down through generations to modern twists on classic flavors. The variety is astounding, and there's something to satisfy every craving. From busy streets to quiet alleys, food stalls and carts offer tons of tasty treats. You can find everything from steaming bowls of noodles to crispy fried snacks. The options are endless, and each bite is a new adventure. Red lanterns light up steaming dumplings, and grilled meats look delicious under the bright lights. The sight of perfectly cooked dumplings, their steam rising into the night air, is enough to make your mouth water. And the grilled meats with their smoky aroma are simply irresistible. Everyone's excited to try the foods that people have loved for years. The joy on their faces is contagious, and you can't help but feel a sense of camaraderie as you join in the feast. It's a celebration of food, culture, and community. Locals and tourists come together to enjoy the true heart of Chinese food. It's a melting pot of cultures and backgrounds, all united by a shared love of food. The market is a place where strangers become friends over a shared meal. Every corner has a new food adventure waiting for you. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious traveler, there's always something new to discover. The market is a never-ending journey of flavors, textures, and experiences that will leave you wanting more. Chinese street food isn't just one thing. It's like a rainbow of different foods and cooking styles. Each region of China brings its own unique twist to the street food scene, making it a culinary adventure for anyone willing to explore. From the bustling markets of Beijing to the serene streets of Chengdu, the variety is endless, and each bite tells a story of its own. Each part of China has its own special flavors and ingredients. The country's vast landscape and diverse climates contribute to this rich tapestry of tastes. For instance, the coastal regions are known for their fresh seafood, while the inland areas boast hearty, meat-based dishes. The ingredients used in these dishes are often locally sourced, adding an extra layer of authenticity and flavor. Up north, they love hearty foods like pancakes and steamed buns. These dishes are perfect for the colder climate, providing warmth and sustenance. Northern Chinese cuisine often features wheat-based foods, such as noodles and dumplings, which are staples in the region. The flavors are robust and comforting, making it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. Down south, you'll find lighter foods like rice noodles, fresh seafood, and tropical fruits. The southern regions benefit from a warmer climate, which allows for a variety of fresh produce to be available year-round. The cuisine here is often lighter and more delicate, focusing on the natural flavors of the ingredients. Dishes are often steamed or stir-fried, preserving their nutritional value and taste. Spicy Sichuan food, with its tingling peppercorns, is perfect for people who like bold flavors. Sichuan cuisine is famous for its use of spices, particularly the Sichuan peppercorn, which creates a unique numbing sensation. This region's street food is not for the faint-hearted, but for those who enjoy a culinary challenge, it's a must-try. The bold flavors and aromatic spices make every bite an adventure. Cantonese food is more delicate, with fresh ingredients and light sauces. There's so much variety. Cantonese cuisine is known for its emphasis on freshness and quality of ingredients. The dishes are often steamed or stir-fried, allowing the natural flavors to shine through. Dim sum, a popular Cantonese street food, offers a variety of small, flavorful dishes that are perfect for sharing. The light sauces used in Cantonese cooking enhance the flavors without overpowering them. From savory to sweet, spicy to mild, there's something for everyone. Chinese street food offers a wide range of flavors and textures, ensuring that there's a dish to suit every palate. Whether you're in the mood for something sweet like candied fruits or something savory like grilled skewers, you'll find it on the streets of China. The diversity of the food reflects the diversity of the people and cultures that make up this vast country. That's what makes exploring Chinese street food so fun and delicious. It's not just about the food, it's about the experience. The vibrant markets, the friendly vendors, and the bustling atmosphere all contribute to the joy of eating street food in China. Each bite is a new discovery, a new flavor, and a new story. So next time you find yourself in China, take a stroll through the street markets and let your taste buds lead the way. You can't talk about Chinese street food without mentioning dumplings. These little pockets of joy are everywhere in China. From soup dumplings filled with broth to crispy pot stickers, each bite is amazing. They can be filled with pork, veggies, seafood, or herbs. Dumplings are more than just food. They're part of Chinese culture. People eat them during special times and family get-togethers. They represent togetherness, good luck, and happiness. Whether you like them steamed, boiled, or fried, dumplings are a delicious way to experience real Chinese food. Another popular street food is the baozi, a steamed bun with a cool story. Legend says a smart general invented these fluffy buns a long time ago. Today, baozi come in all shapes and sizes with lots of different fillings. The classic pork baozi is always a favorite. There are also vegetarian options with mushrooms, tofu, and veggies. The soft bun and tasty filling make a perfect match. Baozi are a great quick breakfast or snack, giving you a taste of Chinese tradition. Peking duck used to be just for emperors and important people, a dish that symbolized luxury and exclusivity in ancient China. It was a culinary masterpiece reserved for the elite, often served during grand banquets and royal feasts. The preparation of Peking duck was an art form, perfected over centuries, and it was a dish that showcased the pinnacle of Chinese culinary skills. But now, this once exclusive dish has become a beloved street food, accessible to everyone. The transformation of Peking duck from a royal delicacy to a popular street food is a testament to its enduring appeal and versatility. Today, you can find Peking duck stalls in bustling street markets across China, where people from all walks of life can enjoy this delicious treat. This famous dish shows how skilled Chinese chefs are. The process of preparing Peking duck is meticulous and requires a high level of expertise. Chefs spend years mastering the techniques needed to create the perfect Peking duck, from selecting the right duck to achieving the ideal balance of flavors and textures. The duck is carefully prepared, air-dried, and seasoned with a blend of spices that enhance its natural flavors. The air-drying process is crucial, as it helps to achieve the signature crispy skin that Peking duck is known for. This step can take several hours, during which the duck is hung in a cool, dry place to allow the skin to dry out completely. Once the duck is properly dried, it is roasted in a special oven. The roasting process is what gives Peking duck its distinctive flavor and texture. The skin becomes incredibly crispy, while the meat underneath remains tender and juicy. The use of a traditional Chinese oven, often fueled by fruit wood, adds a unique smoky aroma to the duck. The result is a dish that is both visually stunning and incredibly delicious. The contrast between the crispy skin and the juicy meat is what makes Peking duck so special. Each bite offers a delightful combination of textures and flavors that is truly unforgettable. It's served with thin pancakes, which are used to wrap the duck along with other accompaniments. These pancakes are soft and slightly chewy, providing the perfect vessel for the rich and flavorful duck. Spring onions, cucumber, and sweet bean sauce are essential components of the Peking duck experience. The spring onions add a sharp, fresh flavor, while the cucumber provides a cool, crisp contrast to the rich duck. The sweet bean sauce ties everything together with its savory and slightly sweet taste. You wrap everything in the pancakes for a mix of flavors and textures. The process of assembling the wrap is almost as enjoyable as eating it. Each bite offers a harmonious blend of crispy, juicy, fresh, and savory elements that dance on your palate. Peking duck is a real culinary experience, one that goes beyond just the taste. It's a dish that brings people together, whether it's at a street market or a family dinner. The joy of sharing Peking duck with loved ones is a big part of its appeal, a celebration of Chinese food that people all over the world love. Peking duck has transcended its origins to become a global favorite, enjoyed by food lovers everywhere. Its rich history and exquisite taste make it a true icon of Chinese cuisine. The sounds of a wok are part of the Chinese street food experience. This special pan is important for making many dishes. Chefs use high heat and quick moves to stir-fry, deep fry, steam, and even smoke food in the wok. The heat creates a smoky flavor called wok hei, which makes the food even tastier. From noodles to fried rice to veggies, the wok is the heart of Chinese street food cooking. Watching a chef use a wok is like watching magic. Chinese food is all about history, culture, and tradition. Many dishes have interesting stories and meanings. For example, jiaozi, a type of dumpling, are eaten during Lunar New Year. Their shape looks like old Chinese money, symbolizing wealth and good luck. Even the ingredients can have special meanings. Some noodles represent long life, and certain fruits mean good luck. Knowing these stories helps you understand Chinese culture better. Chinese street food is an adventure waiting to happen. From Beijing to Taipei, there's amazing food everywhere. Whether you're a food expert or just curious, there's always something new to try. So go explore and let your senses guide you. You might fall in love with soup dumplings, baozi, or stir-fried noodles. Whatever you like, Chinese street food will be an experience you won't forget. Did you enjoy our trip through Chinese street food? Tell us about your favorite dishes. Subscribe to our channel and like this video for more food adventures around the world. Let's keep exploring, one bite at a time.